And then I'm going to reveal what I think is the secret to getting lawyers to blog. I write 2 blogs. One is called Build Your Legal Practice, and the other is called The Cauldron of Innovation. I was a law firm partner working on heavy commercial litigation. And then I did something quite foolish. Very bad and unprofessional. I had a baby. Look, to be fair, my firm said, yes, you can come back if you continue to work full-time and sleep most nights at the office. And you can imagine that conversation wasn't on a good trajectory. That was never going to end well, was it? And part of me was so angry to see my career derailed in that way. But then there was another part of me that was inclined to admit that, well, I didn't really especially enjoy arguing with people for a living. I went to law school because my careers counsellor at school said to me, there are lots of things you can do with a law degree. So when I found myself cast adrift by my firm, I resumed my search for those other things that you could do with a law degree. And after an exhaustive exploration, I made up my own job. But I began to realise that, gee, I wasn't the only person having a career crisis. A lot of the lawyers who came to see me were quite unhappy. Some of them even needed to get right out of the law altogether. But a lot of them really just seemed a bit jaded, lacking focus and direction, and they needed to find an interest in their work that they could throw themselves into. They needed to sort of create their own job as well within the firm that they were working at. So I began to think there has got to be a way that you could mould the job to suit you, and a way in which you could put more of yourself into the job so that you could have a more enjoyable career and capitalise on your unique strengths.